Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Factual Bytes. These disturbing graphics which you are seeing, are from Turkey, which was struck by a powerful earthquake earlier. A 7.8 magnitude earthquake has shaken Turkey and Syria, killing more than 360 people, according to authorities. The earthquake was also felt in Lebanon and Cyprus. At least 130 buildings had been destroyed. The epicenter was centered in the town of Pazarcık in Kahramanmaraş province, about 20 miles from the city of Gaziantep. The deaths of 6 fires and there were 6 powerful aftershocks. According to reports, several buildings have been destroyed, as people gathered outside on snowy streets in Pazarcık. Rescue workers and residents using flashlights were searching through piles of tangled metal and concrete rubble in one of the stricken cities. The governor of Osmaniye province said at least 34 buildings had collapsed due to the quake, while the governor of Malatya said 130 had fallen down in his province. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said on Twitter that search and rescue teams were immediately dispatched to the areas hit by the quake. We hope that we will get through this disaster together as soon as possible. Several buildings tumbled down in the neighboring provinces of Malatya and Diyarbakir, Haberturk television reported. There were no immediate reports on casualties. A strong 6.7 aftershock rumbled about 10 minutes later. Tremors felt as far as Egypt in Beirut and Damascus. There were reports of buildings shaking and people gathering on streets in fear. There have so far been no reports of fatalities or serious damage in Egypt, Lebanon or Cyprus, where the quake was also felt. It is important to mention here that Turkey sits on top of major fault lines and is frequently shaken by earthquakes. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share. If you are watching it on Facebook, do follow the page.